A new course was added. Where the Okay. Hey, welcome to episode 3. So I went and I started using Slip.so, and I did not deep dive into this. You'll find out why, because the initial onboarding for new users that don't know anything is pretty rough, in my opinion. Now, I'm not giving it a fair share because it really does look like a lot of the stuff that they've spent time on are the interactive code environments, and I don't even get into that. However, there's a reason I don't get into that. So, in my opinion, this was not ready to launch to the masses. So today we're going to be checking out Slip, and that's going to be at Slip.so. And what this is to be able to build a programming course for developers. So if you're a developer, you can go ahead and you can kind of build out these courses and focus on, it looks like we've got Ruby, JavaScript, Python, Go, and Rust are at least the 5 icons that we've got visually there. Oh, actually, I already logged in. And okay, so yeah, here we go. We're logged in now. What do we say about this? And so we start off with our courses. And like we talked about in on the last episode, episode 2, you really should have a strategy for when you don't have content. So when you're building a product, obviously, you stuff it full of your stuff, your tests. I'm testing. And so developers tend to never really go back and empty everything out and just look, what does this look like completely raw? This is what it looks like completely raw. There should be something in the center that says this is what you're doing. Here's a little example, maybe, and then have your add a course. But we'll go ahead because we don't really have any other option, and we're going to add a course. Something went wrong. Let's refresh. Maybe I signed out. New course. The new course was added. Where the Okay. Oh, there it is. Brand new course. All right. Well, that's a problem. So when I add a new course, first off, ask me a name. If you're at least just going to go create it, ask a name. What the fuck is that? Dude, seriously, come on. Yeah, ask a name, and then we're good. And then save that name, put it in there, refresh your list, you're good. But this brand new course, and so now I'm going to refresh, and I'm going to have 2 in there. Okay, so we've got 2 with the same exact name, so let's go ahead and we'll edit this one. What? Okay, where's the name? Okay, I bet it's back behind this. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's, okay, so they're making it so you have to request to launch. Okay, so that's saved. Let's get back here. All right, so this is clearly where they spent most of the time, but once again, no like empty content messaging, no nothing. This isn't helping me at all. This doesn't. When we're building a product, we need to have that product tell us what we're doing, like especially for the first time. Not necessarily have all the pop-ups and all that nonsense, but at least should be like this right here. Add a something. What am I adding? Add a block. Add a whatever you call it within your system. You've got a bunch of them, so just add a thing. Notion does a great job with that, is being able to say, type / here to get started or whatever. And so I'm lost, right? Also the name, like get started. Where did get started come from? What is get started? Like what? I don't have any idea. Like I thought it was brand new course. So I should be able to change my name at least up at this level, like to make it top level, like right here. That should be my name. I should be able to edit it. Okay, so we're going to go in and we're going to do some markdown. What in the ever-loving fuck is going on? Markdown. Oh, okay. I get what you're trying to do there. So it looks like we've got 2 blocks potentially that you only notice with this 10%, 20% things. Nah. What else do we have here? Okay, so there's our markdown, but now, and I can rearrange. Does this? What is this? I can paste a Figma URL. Man, code sandbox, just a snip. Can I just do an interactive? Okay, there. That's not bad. Okay, so we can. Man, I'll tell you what. So I would say that this, in my humblest of humble opinions, is just not ready for the masses. So this is gonna be a short one. Yeah, so I'm gonna give Slip, just because I'm not even like, I don't even care to try to figure it out. Right? I mean, like I'm clicking and I should be going back to this view. Yeah, so this just again, I love where you're going with it. I think it's a great idea. So the developer, not to completely bust your balls, but or ovaries, whatever you have. The fact is that this isn't ready. You shouldn't have put this up on Product Hunt yet. I think you still need to really fill in, because what sucks is with Product Hunt you really have a couple chances to make a really big impression, and especially with developers, right? Like we're very finicky and we'll try out new things all the time. So with this one, I'm gonna have to give it, not cool, unfortunately, because I really did want to like this. And then you got to even request to launch it, so I can't even launch it without going through this person. So there we go. That's the update. On to another one, huh?